Today I'm going to walk you through a straightforward process, how to add the Pump Fun by bot to your Telegram group in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the bot up and running, ready to automate group tasks and boost engagement while keeping everything safe and tidy. Whether you're new to Telegram bots or just need a refresher, I'll guide you every step of the way with all the important details and practical tips you'll need. Let's get started. First, open up your Telegram app and head over to the group where you want to add the bot. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or simply searching the group's name in the search bar if you're in a lot of groups. Taking this moment ensures you're working in the right place and not accidentally adding the bot somewhere it doesn't belong. Next, you're going to add the bot as a member. To do this, tap the group's name right at the top of your screen. This brings up the group's profile where all your options are. You'll see an option labeled Add Members or sometimes just Add Member, depending on your version of Telegram. Go ahead and tap that. This is just like inviting a new friend, except we're inviting a bot that's about to make group management a whole lot easier. Now here comes the key part. In the search bar, type the bot's username. In this case, it's at @pumpbybot. Sometimes usernames can be a bit tricky, so be careful with spelling and make sure it matches exactly. Once you see Pump Fun by bot pop up in the results, tap it to add. Confirm any prompts that appear, get it into your group, and you'll see it listed among your members. If you don't see it straight away, try refreshing or double-checking the username. It's easy to miss a character. But just adding the bot isn't quite enough. To unlock its real functionality, you need to grant it admin rights, so tap the group name again and look for an option like Edit or Group Info. Head into Administrators and tap Add Admin. This takes you to the list of all your members. Find and select it Pump by Bot from the list. Now you're given options on what permissions the bot will have, things like posting or editing messages. Depending on what features you want the bot to handle, grant only the necessary permissions. For example, if the bot is just posting updates, you might only need to allow post messages. But if it's moderating or deleting spam, consider extra permissions. Always take a moment to review. More permissions mean more power for the bot, so only give what's genuinely needed. When you're happy, tap Done. Okay, with admin rights sorted, the final step is to initialize the bot in your group. Jump into the group chat and type one of the bot's startup commands, usually start, /config, or help. If you're not sure which command to use, help is always a safe option. Most bots will reply with their menu or instructions. Send the command and wait for a response. It may take a moment, so don't worry if it doesn't reply instantly. One last important tip, not all bots operate the same way, so always check the Pump Fun by bot's specific instructions. These are often sent to you automatically or available through the help command. Be sure to read them, as some bots require additional setup or have unique features to configure. Finally, a quick word on security. Bots can be incredibly powerful, but they also access group data. Always check who built the bot and only grant the minimum permissions required. If you ever feel unsure, it's best to do a little research or ask other group admins for advice. And that's it, you've added the Pump Fun by bot to your Telegram group. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop any questions or your own tips in the comments below, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.